Hey guys and gals, let's build a two-dimensional brick pumpkin for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x3 brick. I'm going to set another 2x3 brick right on top of one another where it's hanging over by a set of studs on the left hand side. And in this area, a 2x2 brick. Then on both sides of the 2x3 brick, another set of 2x3 bricks. Now we're going to continue on with the mouth with a set of 1x2 bricks. Set those right there. And 4 2x2 bricks. Place these right here. You may want to hold underneath the previous row. We need to strengthen this up a bit more. And in the top center, a 2x4 and 2x3 bricks, followed by a set of 1x2 bricks and a pair of 2x2 bricks. Back in the center, a 2x3 brick. Then we're going to start strengthening this up with a pair of 2x4 bricks. So, the beginning of our nose, and then these two areas right here, a set of 2x2 bricks. Now right in the middle of our 2x3 brick, a 1x2 brick, and on both sides a set of 2x3 bricks. This will form the nose. And we're going to strengthen up these corners with a pair of 2x4 bricks. Right above the nose, a 2x3 brick. Then we're going to proceed on with a pair of 2x4 bricks and 2 2x2 bricks to finish up this row. Now we're going to set a 2x3 brick right here, and we're going to place another set on both sides. These are going to form the eyes, and we're going to wrap up this level with a pair of 2x3 bricks. Now right here, I'm going to set down a 2x3 and 2x2 bricks, followed by a pair of 1x2 bricks and a set of 2x3 bricks to finish up framing the eyes. Then right in the center, a 2x3 brick, and on both sides a set of 2x4 bricks. And for the top of the pumpkin, 2x4 and 2x3 bricks. We're going to wrap it up with the stem with a set of 2x2 bricks, where this 2x2 bricks hanging over by one stud.